Pakistan, I assure you, was never like this. This land, this soil, this region gave rise to the most sharpest minds from the golden era of performers. Artists, musicians, sportsmen, engineers, you name it, doctors, designers, and architects. People of this region once led in precision, in elegance, skill, craft, delivery, combat, nuclear sciences, tech, and engineering, and so much more. These passionate visionaries, you name it. So my question is, what happened to the contemporary art and design sector? Why this silence? Why the disconnect? Why this silence? Why this disconnect? Why has the sacred art of mentorship been cast aside? Why have our institutions, once cradles of curiosity, become breeding grounds for disinterest, drugs, and alcohol abuse? What has happened to you guys? The Quran tells us that there is not for a man except that good for which he strives. Surah Al-Najm, meaning what you don't work for, you cannot keep. Nothing is owed to you. Not beauty, not mastery, not peace. You must rise to earn it. And I understand this world, especially in the countries like ours, atmosphere is heavy. People are robbed of their peace, of their dignity, and of skill merit-based opportunities. But the heaviest of battles are not always on the streets. They start in our own homes, in our own minds, in our own habits. In the way we rise, the battle for a better tomorrow starts with the choices we make today. Whether we rise at Fajr, make the most of it, or we don't. Remember this, every morning is a chance to rewrite our destiny. So use it well. If you look at old masters, master painters like Jerome, Sargent, and Zorn, they were not born with divine gifts. They simply refused to quit. They rose with the sun and painted until their souls bled through their brush. They gave everything, and in return, they became timeless. Our Prophet Muhammad said, "Oh Allah, bless my nation in the early mornings." And yet today we sleep till noon, scroll until our spirits are numb, and wonder why the anxiety never ends. But this isn't how you find yourself. This isn't how you build a life worth living. I'm 44. I've lived the struggle, and I tell you something. If you want a life of purpose, of mastery, and of peace, seek it. Seek me if you must. I help people rise. I teach hands to draw, souls to paint. I teach hearts to dream again. And if only you're willing, only if you're ready to burn for it. So wake up. Start again, pray Fajr, pick up your brush, face the canvas of your life, and paint like you mean it. Allah Hafiz.